start a new topic, Indian Constitution, and the topic is Preamble. Okay, the topic is Preamble. We will discuss Preamble today. What is Preamble? What is its purposes? And what and words are including in the Preamble? Okay, so let's start the topic. If you really like my video, please subscribe it and share it to your friends. Okay, now start the topic. The Preamble is the definition what given in the Preamble in the Indian Constitution. Okay, we the people of India. First it is here mentioned that we the people of India. So people is very important in this topic. We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India. So people has resolved to constitute. People only create the constitution. Constitution India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens. First, the constitution should be into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic and to secure all its citizens. What to secure? How to protect the citizens? Justice. Justice in the case of social, economic and political places. And liberty. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Liberty is freedom of a thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Okay. And equality. Equality in the case of status. Everybody will get the equal status and opportunity and to promote among them all. What they have to promote among them all? Fraternity. Fraternity assuring the dignity of individual and unity and integrity of the nation. So by fraternity only we can do the unity and integrity of our nation. So it is the definition of the Preamble. Okay, we the people of India. So first here it is mentioned that we the people of India. So people only the main part of this constitution. Everything is made by the people, by the people's need and for the protection of people. The constitution of the Preamble is mentioned here that about the protection of people and how the government will administer to the people. Everything is mentioned in the Preamble of the Constitution. So now we will start. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves to this Constitution. So it is when it is adopted 26th day of November 1949. Here adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. It is coming in exam. The date is very much mandatory to remember. Okay, 26th day of November 1949, hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves to this Constitution. Okay, it is coming in exam. Now, meaning of Preamble. What is the meaning of Preamble? Preamble is the introduction of the Constitution. So, whenever we are writing something, any topic, any speech, now there is an introduction of the topic. So, like that, Constitution introduction is the Preamble. The Preamble is the introduction of the Constitution. Preamble contains itself the main object of the Constitution. The main object of the Constitution. What is the main object of Constitution? Why it is made? This is mentioned also in the Preamble. It sets out the purposes for which the Constitution has been framed. Why this Constitution has framed? For what its purpose? For the people's protection only. And to welfare our state. That is everything. Introduction given in the Preamble of the Constitution. Preamble run like a golden thread throughout the Constitution. So what and all given the topics, it is the golden thread throughout the Constitution. Everything included in this Preamble. Okay, everything mentioned in the Preamble, what and all topics and what and all help, what and all rights given to the peoples. Preamble in short embodies the fundamental values and philosophy on which Constitution is based. It embodies the fundamental values and philosophy on which Constitution is based. Okay, how the Constitution will work, everything is mentioned in this Preamble. How the right, what and all right the people will get, what is people's duty and how people will make the representative to administrate our country. Everything is introduction given in this Preamble for the Constitution. Okay, now 42nd Amendment. What is 42nd Amendment? The word sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic have been substituted for sovereign democratic republic by the Constitution in 42nd Amendment Act 1976. So, before it was not the word sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It comes after the 42nd Amendment, this word sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This 5 word is inserted in the 42nd Amendment to our constitution in the preamble. Okay, the word unity and integrity of nation have been substituted for word unity of nation. So before it was unity of nation, but now it is substituted as unity and integrity of the nation in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. So in the 42nd Amendment Act, what and all changed? What and all words substituted? It is mentioned here. One is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and another is unity and integrity of the nation. Which these things are very important for the people. The word has been inserted to eliminate the separatist tendencies. Article 1 declare India the union of state. Why these words are mentioned? Like why unity of the nation is necessary? Because the differentiation of the people should be eliminated. The separatist tendency should be eliminated. So that we feel that we are the people of India, unity of nation. To declare that India is the union of state, to make all the states are meeting together and unity of the nation. So that's why it is mentioned here, unity of the nation, which is very important word. The preamble declares that people of India are the source of constitution and the sovereignty lies in the people of India. So the source of people are what? The preamble is declares the source, that the people of India are the source. The people of India is very important, and they make the preamble, the constitution, and for their need and for their help and for their protection for the welfare of the country. Okay, sovereignty lies in the people of India. People only do everything. Now, case law here in the 42nd Amendment, Sergeant Singh versus State of Rajasthan, AR 1955, Supreme Court 845. Here, Justice Madal Kaur explains, preamble represents the quiet essence, the philosophy, the ideals, the soul or spirit of the entire Constitution of India. So, Justice Madal Kaur has explained preamble. What is it for Constitution of India? Okay, it is the philosophy, the ideal, the soul or the spirit of the entire Constitution of India. Now, the next case is Beriberi Union and Exchange of Enclaves Re AIR 1960 Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has held that preamble is the key to the minds of framer of Indian Constitution. It is not the part of the Constitution. So, here it is explained that it is not the part of the Constitution. It is the introduction of the Constitution. In another case, in Goloknath versus State of Punjab, AR 1967, Supreme Court, Chief Justice Subbarao said, preamble contains its not shell, its ideals and its aspirations. So, different justice has given different decisions or ideas regarding the preamble. The basic elements of preamble, now we will discuss the basic elements of preamble. One is sovereign. The Constitution of India does not recognize legal supremacy of any other country. So, Constitution of India does not recognize any legal supremacy of other country. Like any British government cannot rule us. We can make our internal and external policies ourselves. So, India can make free to determine its internal and external policy. No need to depend on any other country. Like before the British government was ruling us. Like that it is not. Now the Constitution is the supremacy of our country and other countries cannot rule us. India is free to determine its internal and external policies. Now next word is socialist. Socialism implies the control of state and the mean of production. How the country will make the production, how the country will control the state in case of production, in the means of production. This word is inserted to ensure the economic justice and elimination of inequality in income and standard of life. So, elimination of inequality. We should to remove the inequality. Everybody should be equally. Everybody can earn the equal. So, to mention here that India is more democratic constitution. To mention here that India is more democratic socialism than for defined communistic socialism. So only nationalism we should not concentrate. The money should not be come in one's hand, that we should not concentrate. So everybody can earn. So for their development as well as standard of the country or welfare of the country. This word does not profess the country to commit any particular economic system. So country should not make any particular system. The money should not be belong to in one hand, so that other people will not get the opportunity. Directive principle of state policy and the objective of preamble, equality of status and opportunity. So everybody get the equality and status of opportunity. To more eradicate the inequality. To eradicate the inequality, everybody will get the status and opportunity same. So this is specialist. Now it is secular. What is the meaning of secular? It implies that India will not recognize any religion as state religion. So there is no particular religion that this country belongs. India will not say that this is our religion. Every religion can be treated equally in our country. The concept of secularism is based on the principle of Sarva Dharma Sambhava. So all the religion is treated equally in India. Right to profess, propagate and practice any religion is enshrined in fundamental right. So everybody can profess their religion, propagate and practice any religion in the mentioned in the fundamental right. This is a right. Democratic. Now the word is democratic. The source of constitution is people's will. Constitution provides for government which gets its authority from people of India and is responsible for its acts to the people of India. So government, people will make the government, and also it is responsible to the people of India. So whatever our needs, according to that only government will provide us the facilities. Liberty of thought and expression is very much present to nourish the democratic setup. So if you will freedom of thought and expression, then only we can improve our country. Then only we will protect our fundamental right. Now the word is republic. The head of the state is not the hereditary monarch. Any king will not rule us. No hereditary monarch. Okay, no king will rule us. We will make our representative, that person will rule us. The sovereignty lies in the people of India. So this is on our hand, people of India's hand, and the nominal head of the state is elected for a fixed term by the people of India. The nominal head is represented by the people of India. Now justice. Social justice means elimination of inequality, discrimination to make a welfare state. So we have to eliminate all the inequalities and discrimination to make our welfare state. And economic justice means no discrimination on the basis of income, equal pay for equal work. Everybody will get the equal pay and for their equal work. Political justice means citizens should have equal political right, universal adult suffrage, one man, one vote. So we have the voting right. We will give the vote to elect our representatives. And also equality and fraternity. Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual, unity and integrity of the nation. Fraternity means the common brotherhood. We are the brother and sisters. If we will think that, then only we can secure our country. If we will think difference, then we cannot make secure to our country. And also fraternity, also creating the unity of the people. When we will think that we are brother and sister, we are the brothers and brother, then only we can make our country unity among the people. So that is the unity and integrity of the nation. So this is over. Thanks for watching.